Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. After a long time, the intent of this video is to check the FI and DIS data for the month of this August, because we have an Independence Day and we see do we are getting independence from FII's buying in this month or not. Do DII is going to control our market, where and what's the position of FII and DIs for this month. And we have seen lots of correction till date. So let's begin. So as we know, the four players who get the money and who runs the Indian stock market, those are FII, DII. Client are the retailers, those is us, and proprietor desk. So let's begin with FII. So this is the data we are comparing with 27th July and the data of Friday's August 10th. So what had happened in future index market? So future index is of Nifty and other indices like Bank Nifty. So let's check. They were having a long of 14% and now they have reduced the long. They have 8.3 and they were having a short of 85.7. Let's take a round of 86. Now they have 92%. It means lots of short positions they have as of now. And in future index call, they were having in 28,000 of call writing contract. Now they have increased their call writing by 62,000 contract. So they have 90,000 of call writing. Input they were having 2.34 lakh of put buying. So now they have increased just 49,000 contracts. So they have 2,83,000 of put buying. It means, see here also they are negative in future index, and in options also they are super negative. And we have seen in July they have sold for 47,000 crores. It means the data is showing they are hugely negative in our indices. Now let's check work client. Client are the retailers. They were having 80 percentage of long in future index and 32% in short. Now they have 70% long and they have reduced the short. It means they are getting super bullish in future index. And in options at call they were having 66,000 of call buying contract. They have increased their call buying by 92,000 contract. So they have 1,58,000 of call buying. And input they were having 4.75 lakh of put writing contract. Input writing also they have increased their contract by 50,000. So they have 4.91 lakh of put buying contract. So we can see the client is super bullish in future index and also in options. And we have seen they have sold for 8,415 crores in July month. Now let's check the proprietor desk. In future index they were having 62% long and 38% short. Now they have 60% long and short 40%. It means bullish only they have in future index. In options they were having 39% call writing contract. They have increased their call writing by 40,000 contracts. So they have 80,000 of call writing contract. Input they were having 2.26 lakh of put buying contract. Put buying has been reduced by 50,000 contracts. So they have 1.75 lakh of put buying. So we can see they have hedged their positions, futures long versus options short. So see what the data it is showing. FII is super negative, whereas proprietor does they have hedged their position futures versus options, and client is super bullish and we don't believe this client's data. Now we'll check open interest analysis. Nifty's month end expiry will check. So the PCR is at 0.94. It is like overbought zone only for the month end of this August. And future price is 24,400, whereas spot is 24,350. It means we can see it is overbought, so the future is positive here. And what we can see here, 25,000 super call writers are sitting at this position, and also this could be a put buying positions. Lot size is 43,951. So let's check OI build up. Here we can see only the put buyers and call writing here. This is not giving a accurate data, but we can only say at 25,000 all the call writers are sitting, and it is next to impossible to break this level in this month. Now we'll check the technical analysis. Will follow US market. Nasdaq, we have seen a super bullish rally. This is Nasdaq. That shows how the IT is performing. It is super bullish, but whereas Indian IT is not doing that great because due to the tariff. US VIX is showing no tension at all. It is at comfortable zone. US Dow is also at super bullish position only. When we see Indian VIX, it is also at comfortable zone. We are also not fear of anything, but we should be feared of tariff the Donald Trump is implementing. So while coming to the Nifty 50, it is trading at 24,363. I could say after seeing the data, it is more to fall only. We can believe it can go to 23,900. After this only we can see a very good rally, but I don't see any good rally as of now. Any a good positive movement only get the market to go high, but we don't see any positive in our market. So whenever it comes high, we can think of only shorting. We will not go long as of now for this month also. Until the market comes to 23,900, then only we will think of going long. Whereas in Bank Nifty also we have seen a very good fall on Friday, and it is trading around 100 days moving average, but still I am not going to go long with this range. I can still see a very good fall coming in Bank Nifty also, because the FIIs is super negative. So being little cautious on every higher side, we will think of selling only, and also being cautious, there could be a very good short covering also it can come. So not hugely short we will go, but keeping an eye, we can think of short. Meanwhile, a short covering also in the month of August expiry, we can see a short covering. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.